Hi everyone, welcome to Basic Science series. Today we are going to learn about bacterial cells. I'm going to draw the structure of bacterial cell, and at the same time I will be discussing the different functions of each component of bacterial cell. Alright, let's start by drawing the bacterial capsule. Bacterial capsule is the outermost covering of bacterial cell. The bacterial capsule is a very large structure of many bacteria. It is a polysaccharide layer that lies outside the cell envelope. Now you can see we have a nice green colored capsule. After this I will be making bacterial cell wall. Bacterial cell walls are made up of peptidoglycan, which is also known as murin. We don't have to go into the details of bacterial cell wall in this video. We will make new videos where we will discuss details of bacterial cell walls. Bacterial cell membrane is composed of phospholipid bilayer, so it has all the functions of a cell membrane, such as permeability barrier for most molecules and serving as a location for the transfer of molecule inside the cell. Now I'm going to make bacterial flagella. Bacterial flagella are a helically shaped structure containing protein flagellin. Basically, bacterial flagellum helps the bacteria in its motion. Right? So with the help of bacterial flagellum, it can move from one place to another. Okay, so the next important structure that we're going to draw is a pilus, or it's also known as Pilli. These are hair-like appendages found on the surface of many bacterial cells, and they help the bacterial cells in various functions. Okay, so I'm going to make a lot of bacterial Pilli structures because these are the structure that gives the bacteria that scary look, and it's our own bacteria, right? So we can make as many as Pilli we want, and to give it a nice look of a bacterial cell. Bacterial Pilli play a very important role in bacterial conjugation, which is a form of sexual reproduction. So they are also known as sex Pilli, and they also play a very important role in bacterial attachment and bacterial virulence. Okay, after this, I'm going to draw genetic material of the bacterial cell, which is known as DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. This genetic material of bacterial cell contains all the information that is required to synthesize the bacterial cell. The next structure that we will draw is a plasmid. Plasmid is a circular double-stranded DNA molecule that is distinct from its genetic material, and they provide bacteria with genetic advantages like antibiotic resistance. The next structure is bacterial ribosome. It is a cytoplasmic nucleoprotein particle, and its main function is mRNA translation and protein synthesis. If you want to know about these particular topics, and you should go and explore biochemistry playlist, and I have various lectures on this particular topic. And finally, where all these molecules and proteins are present, it's known as cytoplasmic part of the bacterial cell. If you enjoyed the video, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe the YouTube channel for our next videos.